my friends! Today I offer you vocal warm-ups with a purpose. Before we start, I'd like to give a big shout out to my regular viewers. Thank you so much for your support. Also, a big hello and welcome to anyone who is new around here. You found my Warm-Ups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Now, as we go through each of these warm-ups, I'll drop a little bit of info about why we are doing each of them and a few tips. Let's start with a full octave lip trill. Lip trills, sometimes called bubbling, they help us to keep a steady airflow and encourage relaxation. Keep the sound vigorous throughout. We'll sing. Here we go. We're going to move on to a hum. This keeps us in the semi-occluded exercise camp, and this offers a bit of air pressure equalization to keep the vocal folds safe and functioning optimally. Let's sing. There's no vowel in this exercise, but start with a little light puff of air through the nose. Here we go. Let's move on to a long tone vowel exercise. Everything about this should feel gentle. Gentle onset, easy transition, easy breath recovery. Find some lovely resonating space in the vowels. We will sing on ooh, oh, ah, like this. Ooh, we will go up and down a pentascale. That's 5 notes. Here we go. Ooh. Let's come back to a lip trill for some work on flexibility and coordination, but without the variables of vowels or consonants. We will sing on this next exercise, let's focus on pure vowels as we sing la, be, da, be, ni, bo, tu, la, be. Here we go. La, be, da, be, ni, bo, tu, la, be. La, be, da, be, ni, bo, tu, la, be. La, be, da, be, ni, bo, tu, la, be. La, be, da, be, ni, bo, tu, la, be. La, be, da, be, ni, bo, tu, la, be. La, be, da, be, ni, bo, tu, la, be. La, be, da, be, ni, bo, tu, la, be. La, be, da, be, ni, bo, tu, la, be. La, be, da, be, ni, bo, tu, la, be. La, be, da, be, ni, bo, tu, la, be. For this next exercise, we'll work on a low range extension as we sing on za. As we work into the lowest parts of our range, we want to focus on relaxation and keeping the sound just a little bit bright. It sounds like this. Za, 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 za. Your turn. Za, 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 za. We're going to work now on an easy and consistent sound through 3 different vowels as we sing si, se, sa on the following pattern. Si, se, sa. Here we go. Si, se, sa. Si, se, sa. This exercise will begin with a semi-occluded v sound and then move through different vowels Then it will allow us to descend with ease through a rounded ooh sound. It sounds like this. Here we go. Lastly, this arpeggio with a little dip at the top works on a number of things, including breath onset coordination and steady air through all registers. We'll sing on a ja sound. It will sound like this. Ja, 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 ja. Here we go. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ya. Ja, ja, ya, 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 ya. Ja, ja, ya, 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 ya. Ja, ja, ya, 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 Thanks as always for singing with me today. If you enjoyed this warm-up, I hope you'll give it a like and share it with a friend. I will see you next time. You gonna help or you gonna leave? Olaf, everybody! Hey, Olaf, tell them if they look in the comments, they can buy this shirt.